This Japanese-style tiny house features a small terrace for outdoor relaxation. The terrace is located near in the mini pantry area within the tiny house. The ground floor is maximized for ample space for activities, and the loft bed is located above the bathroom in this tiny house on wheels. The roof of this tiny house combines the main roof and an additional roof on the loft bed, with the loft bed roof being higher than the main roof. The living room is dominated by wide glass windows to maximize natural lighting and the outdoor view.